Multiply 706 by 84 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Put 4 in this column and carry 2. 4 times 0 plus the carried 2 is 2. 4 times 7 is 28. The first partial product is 2,824. Now use the tens digit, 8. Start one place to the left. 8 times 6 is 48. Put 8 in this column and carry 4. 8 times 0 plus the carried 4 is 4. 8 times 7 is 56. The second partial product is 56,480. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 4 plus 0 is 4. In the tens column, 2 plus 8 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 8 plus 4 plus the carried 1 is 13. Put 3 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 2 plus 6 plus the carried 1 is 9. In the 10 negative thousands column, bring down 5. The whole negative number product is 59,304. So 706 times 84 is 59,304.